Mix it up. So all the onions, tomatoes, cilantro, shrimp, it's all mixed with. The shrimp is honestly so easy to cook. It'll cook in, I don't know, 5 or 7 minutes or so until the shrimp is orange. So as you can see, it's kind of like
getting there.
Changing. Yeah, it's like halfway through.
Should we do anything else at the same time?
Yeah, we can start the shells actually.
I feel like shells really make a difference.
Yeah,
in your taco.
And I like mine crunchy. I don't know if you like yours crunchy.
I like mine
like medium.
Yeah,
we'll do both. So
not soft, but my mom likes them super soft, so I always have to get it in there and make my own.
That's good. So we've got our plate with paper towels ready for the shells once they're nice and fried, and now we're just waiting for the oil to heat up.
So you put them all the way in there?
I put it all the way in there. I let it sit for or simmer for about